Hello there, today I show you my unlimited house painting creator, Photoshop effect, photo effect template, how to use it and custom it. I just show you. This is the previously applied result, sum of result. You can combine the unlimited section and it save your time. Original photography, and this is the decoration and our effect your photography and auto making combination and brush stroke you can change by one click. Just pick and unpick, it's create a new look. See, there is the layer instruction, some instruction. We have a hidden the most of the effect you can combine, and bottom side more of include. See the option, you can make it transparent very easily, and see the quality is paper, include digital paper. Also you can use other type of landscape or other type of photography, like look like this type, and also supported photo portrait, but we highlight interior, we highlight house type of painting, like some of extra facility include in this section. This way we call it house painting creator, because the house style we have benefited more use this template. So I just show you, wait and see the quality is very nice and natural quality and look like realistic type, and you can change the brush stroke type very easily. Every material are HD quality and everything is included in separate layer. See the effect, photo effect, paper and brush, everything is included in separate layer. We have combination. So go my download file, there is help file and cover file and help file and supporting information. There you can join our live support and message me in the live chat, our Facebook fan page, WhatsApp number. So there is the mention everything. And now this is the template photo effect. Double click this option and it's open your Photoshop. Just wait and see, it's opening, and because there is more layer include, need some time, like 5 seconds. And this is the smart object placement, your photograph replace here, and others layer are maximum layer are uncheck and setup are uncheck. I introducing everything and show you how to edit and some extra tricks. See, there is the 3 group folder, 3 why I have viewed this one, because you show easily this purpose I have opened this. 30 top drop style check it, and there is the 2 combine, 3 combine is check it now, and there is the 10 main brush art stroke. So on 9 are uncheck and only main brush stroke 1 is check it, look like this one. And there is the another back art style. So everything is separate layer and combine. You just combine, dual combine or triple combine or 4 combine. Combine, that means pick the brush, see new look, and the others see another one, and you can pick it the another option. Just pick and unpick, but this time I have not need. I just replace first, then show you everything. So I go the top and double click this option and open a new window and blank page. We need to paste our photography this position, and must be you need to hide this one, the black one. Okay, now you can open your photography, house photography or any other photography, but this is especially make for house photography. So this time I have used this one, or like you use this one. Now open, and I have a selection tool, select and select the all option or Control A for all selection, and we need to copy this selection and back our photo replacement option, this page, and we need to paste it, and there is the show transform control, see, and you can set up your page position photography in middle tone or side tone, that is depend of you. Okay, now I think okay, my spelling is okay, and tick mark now is okay, and I need to save button click. If I save button click, now is auto rendering my updating main template, this photography, and auto every setup look like a artistic. Just wait and see. Okay, done, and I have back my main template. See, there is the photography. Show transform off. There is the photography digital painting, and see the quality, image size, like our resolution 4500 pixel, or you can measurement it inch 10 by 15 and millimeter. Okay, pixel now. So it's a high quality. Also you can upper this you can change the upper level like 500 pixel, any size. All materials are HD quality, no problem create easily. It's up the level. Okay, now I introducing everything. So this is on photography, and you can make the adjustment in use the adjustment tool. After and before, see the color grading tool, and there is the color option, and all our color is there, include some of color combination. So you can check it, and there is the unfixed combination we have created. You can check it. See, this is the look like a artistic combination, this combination, and this is the water wash and hard look like, and paper effect marks area. Okay, this is the marks area. So how we use the uncheck the marks area, and this is the paper full area. If you want to transparent PNG in this photo, need to transparent PNG. So you just uncheck this paper effect option and use this paper effect marks area option, only marks like this area option. And now you can back the back button and uncheck all background, these two. See, these two background now look like a PNG. See, the others area look like a PNG, others area, and this area photo, so there is no need to PNG. Others area, so you can replace this photography any type of sublimation print. Now you can save very easily the file and export, quick export PNG. Then you can print it very easily in transparent format. Replace it frame art, wallet, and the mock painting and t-shirt painting, and it is any type of painting. Okay, now I have view this one and view this one, and this time I have no need to the full half area, so I have unchecked this one and select this one and view this one. So this is the stock of photography. If you don't like, you can uncheck the stock point. Now is only the photography backup. Okay, and there is the thing top or drop style. So if you don't like this type of dropping, so you can uncheck this one and uncheck this one and uncheck this one. So there is the uncheck all dropping, and you can add new dropping. See, so auto, and you can combine another one if you want. So there is one kind of looking, you can combine and uncheck this one, and you can use this one. This is another kind of looking. Or if you think you don't like this one, you can uncheck this one, only use this one. So it's set, and there is okay another one. I think this combine is perfect for me at this time. Okay, this is one kind of setting, and now I set up another one like main brush. So this is the main brush in middle center. We have set up the default main brush at 1. So I have unchecked this one. Now it's blank, and select the 2 number. See, the another looking is show, and another one I have select, uncheck, and another one. So style look like change, different looking comes. So it's very easy and super time saving. Our concept is save your time. At a time you can combine many different. So see, and you can combine dual version if you think, but this main brush do not need the combine dual. You can combine dual the back art. See, you can uncheck this one, the back art style, and you can use this option back art and use this one or another one. See, there is the changing very easily, and another one back art. See, another one. So it should look like a different style. Okay, so and uncheck this one now and use this on combine. See, the another quality show now, and this one, I think this one is nice. Okay, and if you don't like this combine now, and check out the other combine, how look it, see the quality, and you set up this setup you like most, so done. And then you need to another photography replace, and double click this option and open this window and uncheck this one, or delete this one and open another photography. Like this time I have opened this photography, and Ctrl A for all selection or this selection, and select the overall area, and copy the area, and I have closed this placement, paste this area, like file and paste. Okay, doubling paste, I use the shortcut. So I have transformed it and move it the position in middle center for better looking purpose. Okay, nothing else. And save button click, file and save button click. Now is save my main template. Wait and see the result. This template, any type of image you can combine very easily. See the our looking is very nice looking show there, and the realistic tone style, and you can change the combine or add the combination yourself. See, is still different type of shape include 3, 4, 5, you can combine yourself. And another one, see, now look like another looking, and another. See, is great. And this time I have used another photography. I delete this one. I delete because I show you another on this purpose. And copy and paste. Okay, and save button. Okay, there, and this is the result. And combination, you can hide the this fixed color, then the regular color is show, and this is for exclusive color. And there is the color version, darkness, and another one, and this is the vintage looking style, and another vintage style, and on color combination, this is the color changer. Double click this one, you can color change very easily. Okay, and black and white version, color short version. See, another color version, this is very good color. And you can combine the combination, brush and everything. See the result. Another one, or you need to the border style. See the border, see the another one, and hide this one and this one and this one and this one, then show another looking and use another border. You can hide this border and use this border, or this one, the dual combine, and another one, or out this border. Do not need a back art border style. So this is the another looking. Okay, and you can use dual brush style. See, okay, and you can up and down is the transform tool, and up and down it, see, and move it the area. Okay, so totally depend of you. Is very easy to use, and I show you something surprise. And now the discount is available. Our creative market shop MRI Studio. Visit our shop MRI Studio. Our all product is available there, and we have update product first in creative market, and there is 3 license module sale, personal and commercial and external license are very important. So download our product creative market, and all product are up to date in this marketplace. See the free update, our all update product is very super sweet and comfortable. And if you feel any problem or your software have a problem, create the problem, so you can email me or connect me and share your problem. We solve the issue and back you the file. So visit our shop creative market MRI Studio, and our on site, this is our on site, www.photoshopaction.net. this is our site, and you can download our file. Discount price, and they are available, going on discount or going on flash sale. Check out the flash sale button, all product flash sale and Photoshop and category base, and our free file download. You can download and bundle are offer 99% available, 99% discount are available our bundle. You can visit us. Extended license, not the personal or commercial bundle are sale there, extended license. So is very important. Extended license bundle, all bundle are extended license. Check out the bundle section, and our product are 3 license module sale. They are commercial, personal, commercial and extended. So discount are going on. You can download free file. This is the free file, and all are free file. You can download these, all are new file, and you can download our file graphics rebar MRI Khokon profile. Okay, MRI Khokon, and you can download there, and subscribe our channel MRI Khokon YouTube channel. There is our all product video, maximum product video is published is there, and free file news and video how to use the file, like this one. See the free file and download link include this video description. So if you subscribe the channel, you can notify our free file news. See the 7 free file and download link available there, and how to use also. So you can watch it how to use and download link, so benefited you. Subscribe our channel and enjoy the video and download free file. So I back to again. If you think you need anything include in this template, you think about the better for you, so you can share me. I will update this anytime. This is opportunity we give our customer. Always we respect our customer, we love our customer. So download this product, download link include. Check out my video description link. We have include provide a free file, and this is premium file. You can download the site, mentions the site, and check out description. Also you can download this file in this site, our on-site photoshopaction.net and creative market and graphics rebar MRI Khokon. And there is always free file we have published, so you can visit our on-site. Thanks for watch this video.